What's the meaning of Central Time? Central Time. Central Time.
Central Time. Central Time. Central Time refers to the time zone that is located in the central part of North America. It is usually abbreviated as CT and is 6 hours behind Coordinated Universal Time, UTC-6. This time zone covers a large area, including parts of Canada, Mexico, and the United States. Some of the major cities in the Central Time Zone include Chicago, Dallas, Houston, and Winnipeg. People who live in this time zone use it for standard time as well as during daylight saving time.